Hello, everybody. This is Phil Grigsby with the National Weather Service in Slidell. We're going to have our weekly weather briefing and outlook for you guys now. So the quick overview here is that it looks like we're going to have really nice weather for the next week, which is fantastic. We're expecting dry conditions, clear skies, mild temperatures. There is going to be a cold front that comes through on Sunday that could bring a few showers, but overall the rain chances look pretty low. And the good news is, even though the tropics remain active, there are no concerns for the northern Gulf Coast over the next week. So here's the quick 7-day outlook for Baton Rouge and New Orleans. You can see it's going to be pretty mild, both in Baton Rouge and New Orleans, all the way through Sunday, with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s, and lows in the 50s and lower 60s. Overall, pretty nice, pleasant conditions. There will be a few showers with the front. The better rain chances do look like they'll be in the Baton Rouge area on Sunday, and then we cool down a bit, actually a bit closer to what we typically see for this time of year, with highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s and lows in the mid to upper 40s and some lower 50s as we get into the middle of next week across parts of New Orleans. Going over to Gulfport and Macomb, very similar conditions, just a little bit cooler during the day through Sunday with highs in the middle to upper 70s. But lows will still be very mild or even coolish with temperatures in the low to mid 50s through Friday, and possibly the upper 50s to low 60s as we get into the weekend. Then the big cool down happens after the cold front comes through on Sunday, with temperatures into the upper 60s Monday through Wednesday, and overnight lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s in Macomb, and middle to upper 40s in Gulfport. Again, the better rain chances are going to be across the Macomb area, across southwest Mississippi on Sunday, with the front coming through, and rain chances decrease as you get closer to the coast. So here's the tropical weather outlook, and as you can see, there are 3 systems out there. Eta made landfall yesterday on the Florida coast and is going to continue to move to the northeast out into the Atlantic and really not be an impact to us at all. Tropical storm Theta is way out there in the Atlantic and nothing of concern for us. And then we do have a tropical wave that's in the central Caribbean Sea. We do expect it to become a tropical depression over the next few days as it moves west, but at this time it looks like it's just going to move into Central America and not be a concern for the Gulf Coast. You can see here's the storm total rainfall forecast, valid from now all the way through next Wednesday, and it's a very dry forecast. Generally, we're calling for less than 1/10 of an inch of rain across the area, not very much in the way of precipitation at all, very light rain amounts, and those are going to be completely associated with the low chance of showers as the cold front moves through on Sunday. So overall, it looks like a really nice forecast for everybody. The weekend looks fantastic. Go out, enjoy it, get some fresh air, do activities outside. Since there's not too much that we can do indoors nowadays, it's best to be outside and get some of that fresh air and sunshine. And then next week it'll be a little cooler, but it'll feel like fall. It'll feel like it's supposed to this time of year. So the quick summary of impacts, again, mostly dry and mild weather is expected through the period. We're going to have a cold front come through on Sunday with maybe a few showers, but overall it doesn't look like there's going to be any significant weather concerns for us through the week. And the tropics remain active, but again, there's not really anything for us to worry about at all here on the Gulf Coast.